Hi, I'm Karina de Alican, Fulbright Scholar, Senior Manager of Enterprise Risk and Business Continuity at Edwards Life Sciences, and UCLA Certified Mindfulness Instructor. And just like all of you, for the last 12 months I've been challenged by the stressful and ever-changing circumstances COVID-19 has brought upon us. According to a recent study by the CDC, stress and anxiety levels in the second quarter of 2020 were 3 times higher than in the same time period in 2019. Now, this comes as no surprise to any of us. It is now more critical than ever to take good care of our physical and mental well-being. And that's why at DRI, we're excited to share with you the good news that we've developed a brand new course, the first of its kind in the space, to leverage mindfulness practices so we can improve incident management. Scientific research shows that a regular mindfulness practice can help us lower stress, increase emotional regulation, and make better decisions. As part of this course, we will learn how the brain works and how with mindfulness practices, we can lower reactivity, increase cognitive functioning, and situational awareness. We will also learn about the most common decision-making traps we fall into when we're managing a disruptive event and how to avoid them. Finally, we'll share with you a mindfulness toolkit that you can use for your professional and personal practice and easily integrate it into an existing business continuity management training and exercise program. All of this through interactive lessons and short guided meditation exercises. We hope you can join us on this journey. Thank you for your time, and please be safe and take good care.